Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I will show you how to use Shorten app. Now, for those who do not know, Shorten app is the alternative to TikTok, and Instagram Reels, and so on. From its name, it only provides shorts, short videos, Reels, just like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook Reels. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the App Store or Play Store and search for Shorten. Then you will find here this application with this logo, and you should know that it is not available in all regions. So it is available in some regions and some are so it's available in some regions and some are restricted in it. So once you download the application, you will have to open it like so. After opening it, you can see here this interface. This heart icon is for the like or the heart icon, just like any other application. You have here the comments, share button, and here down below on the bottom right side, you can see your profile, notifications, the plus icon if you want to add a post or reel, and the home menu on the left side of the bottom if you want to see the videos. And here on the top middle side, you can see the following section and the new and the best section. Now I want to go to my profile, and here down below you can see some ads. And in order to remove these ads, you just have to click on the settings or the cogwheel icon on the top right side. Then you want to go and click on get premium. Then you want to choose your preferred plan to remove the ads. Here you have three main plans: monthly plan, weekly plan, and yearly plan. Then click on continue. And it's actually like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels. It doesn't really have much difference. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.